From the moment you approach Kyomachi House, you get a sense that this isn't your typical suburban home, it's a quiet architectural response to a very specific place. Tucked into one of the historic streets of Minakuchi-juku, an old post town along the Takeda route in Japan's Shiga prefecture, the house sits on a tight, narrow lot. Its orientation and compact context posed a challenge. The traditional southeast exposure that usually welcomes light was constrained by the street geometry. Rather than fight this restriction, the architects turned it into the design's defining feature. At the heart of Kyomachi House lies a simple but powerful idea, a double-height inner garden that anchors the living spaces and brings nature inside. Here, in this enclosed courtyard, a deciduous tree reaches toward a skylight above, creating a living, breathing focal point. In summer, its leaves provide natural shade. In winter, its bare branches let sunshine filter deep into the home. This intimate relationship between architecture and nature not only fills the interiors with shifting light throughout the day, but also keeps the house connected to the rhythm of the seasons. What makes this garden idea so compelling is how it redefines the spatial flow. From nearly every major room, whether you're in the living area, kitchen, or dining space, you're gently oriented toward that central garden. The architects embrace the notion that even on a constrained site, you can create layered spatial experiences. Openings and sightlines are thoughtfully positioned so that light and views travel through the house, blurring the boundaries between inside and outside. Inside, materiality plays a big role in shaping atmosphere. Wood finishes on the floors and ceilings give the interior warmth and continuity, while lighter colored walls help bounce natural daylight throughout the spaces. In key areas, large sliding doors and windows open up to pull in fresh air and expand the sense of space when needed. A narrow clerestory window near the lounge adds another layer of daylight, ensuring that even deep interior corners feel connected to the outside world. Upstairs, the house continues its subtle dance with light and nature. Bedrooms overlook the garden void, and a second balcony frames views both inward and outward, reinforcing that central courtyard as the emotional core of the home. By focusing on a singular gesture, the inner garden with its symbolic tree, Kyomachi House becomes more than a shelter. It's a place where everyday life unfolds against a backdrop of changing seasons and evolving light, proving how thoughtful design can make even compact spaces feel expansive and deeply connected to place.